Welcome, I'm Scott's Dragon, and this is my third episode of Ratchet and Clank.
Well, it's damaged, but I fixed worse. Come on, maybe there's someone in town who can help us. Wait a second, is that raritanium? Maybe we should upgrade our weapons first. Let's use that vendor and put this to good use.
Here's where you pick your weapon. You walked into the process with one of mine. You're gonna need raritanium for this stuff, but we'll use some of mine for now. All you gotta do is pick one of them cells. These things chain together. Go ahead and fill out the whole chain. All right, just confirm the transaction and the deal's done. Hey, you surrounded a mystery cluster. Now that's all there is to it. I just might make my quota this week. Now go out and set the world on fire! Hey, you looking for some weapons? Step into my office. Actually, I ain't got no office, but I might get one if I make Salesman of the Month.
Holding his breath, our intrepid Lombax delves the depths of, deepness.
What are these things?
They appear to be amoeboids. According to my databanks, they were created by Drek Industries in order to assist the warbots.
Wow.
More bad guys. Get ready! They keep coming!
All enemies clear. Well done. You are very good at breaking things.
You know, Grim once said the same thing. This must be the way out.
Look out!
Ratchet jumped and jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Our chairman, Brett! He's down.
Darn it! These darn drugs have jammed the transmission! Who's gonna save us now? Oh, hello there! I'm glad you're here. I've been... Hey, have we met before? 'Cause I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the old think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax's forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those Blarg soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly. Geronimo!
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe? Well, it does look like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot. Yeah. That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Man, you got a lot of bolts. But get rid of some of them and buy a proton drum.
Oh, looks like Mayor Buckwash is in trouble. We'll fix your ship in a bit, but right now he needs your help.
Oh, have I got something for you? Good choice. That's one of our best sellers. That's how you make a great weapon even better.
That is a lot of bad guys.
Ooh, darn blog.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small, insignificant invasion. We are working hard to contact the Vlog so we can find a peaceful resolution. But
Try as he might, Ratchet could not breathe underwater.
Enemy down.
You're doing great.
attention, invading Vlog. We have left you several messages regarding your invasion of this sector. I don't want to suggest that you are avoiding us, but just in case you didn't check your messages, there are quite a few waiting for you.
That's a Cora Verilux statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
We still have not heard back from you regarding this unfortunate situation. So I picked up the phone to make sure I have dialed you. Then I had Everything works on our side, so when you get a moment, give us a ring. Hey, Blard! See you again! Mayor Buckwash! The phone rang and I picked up, but the other person hung up. Just thought it might have been you. When you're ready to discuss how to bring peace back to the sector, give me a call.
Oh dear, more of them.
That must be the mayor's ship.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, we need assistance. This is Agna Buckwash, mayor of the Tobruk crater of Novalis.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Come in! Anyone hurry! We're in danger! Please, over to attack! Please!
He's hurt!
No! Is it safe to come out?
Thank you. Thank you. I thought we were done for sure. We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
It's my nephew, Skid McMarks.
Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Blackwash! Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia, and boy, has this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Help! Someone! Call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We got... to get to Iridia.
Agreed. But we must first repair our ship.
Oh, you did it! Thanks for saving the sector, friend. Now come on back and we'll see about fixing that ship.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound. I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more in the next episode.
Not only could they